Hi, I'm Paul Lubers, Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of Lumec Control Products, and I'm here to demonstrate for you our new line of control valves, the IRISvalve. The IRISvalve offers unparalleled flow control capability. The IRIS can be positioned and operated from a very small opening to the full diameter of the pipe size in which it's installed. Throughout that entire range, the control is fully linear, meaning the gain is equal to 1. A 20% increase in control set point yields a 20% increase in flow rate. This helps to reduce costs by optimizing field-to-air ratios, improve burner life, and reducing maintenance and the need for additional equipment. The IRISvalve also reduces unwanted emissions through efficient combustion, leading to compliance with the Clean Air Act. The IRISvalve can enhance heat output and control within a narrow temperature profile, enabling repeatable batch-to-batch thermal processing. The IRISvalve was designed for easy installation and maintenance. In order to access the wiring and control components, all I need to do is remove this, and I can remove the entire cover and gain access both to the wiring points and to all of the setup functions. The IRISvalve was designed for easy installation and setup, particularly when you need to find specific flow rates for your process. In order to get into setup mode, I simply flip this switch. The red light tells me that I'm in setup mode. And now, using these two buttons, I can position the IRIS at any position that I would like. If I would like to reposition the low end, I can pick a point and then simply move these bands until I get an indicator that I've tripped the limit switch. And I can do the same thing on the open side. Again, move the band corresponding to the open switch until I get the indicator light. I can then go back into run mode, press the reset button, and now the valve has picked up its new 4 to 20 milliamp operational limits. Due to the laminar nature of the flow exiting the IRISvalve can be installed in a pipe train in any position. It can be installed immediately before or after other control components. The IRISvalve comes with an optional AC universal power supply, and there's room in the switch package to add an additional 2 limit switches which contain SPDT dry contacts for anything that you would need to trigger during operation. The IRISvalve is a completely 24-volt DC device. The wiring termination points are right here for your analog input and analog output signals. AC power, if using the optional power supply, wires into a separate finger-safe terminal strip right here. There are also pressure taps on either side of the IRIS diaphragm for measuring differential pressure and calculating flow rates. The IRISvalve, when used in a combustion control application, provides significant payback. The ROI is usually measured in terms of months, not years, due to increased fuel savings. The IRISvalve has been evaluated and is in use by multiple OEMs and end users within the industrial thermal processing market within the United States. The valve has been tested and has been used in applications which exceed 500,000 cycles in its lifetime.